Future of abortion rights in the United States hangs in the balance tomorrow. That's when arguments will begin before the Supreme Court over a 2018 Mississippi law that banned abortions after just 15 weeks of pregnancy. Joe Khalil following this from Capitol Hill. Joe, what would the national ramifications be if the Supreme Court upholds this Mississippi law?
I mean, it's huge, Adrienne. You can't really understate it. I don't think it's hyperbole to say that this Mississippi law is quite literally the most serious challenge to Roe versus Wade that the Supreme Court has ever seen. Roe v. Wade being the law that has been established for decades now that says that states are not allowed to create laws that ban abortions before about 28 weeks or so. It's the period that's generally accepted as when a fetus would be able to survive outside of the womb. But this Mississippi law directly challenges that. Let's go ahead and get into the law here. As you mentioned, a 15-week ban. After that, all abortions would be illegal in Mississippi. They do make some exceptions for health issues, emergencies, and for fetal abnormalities. But what's really interesting, there is a Texas abortion case that the Supreme Court is also considering. That case has some issues when it comes to how it's enforced. This case is very different because it is very clear-cut. It's not complicated, straightforward. It is an abortion ban after 15 weeks. So what that means is if this now 6-3 conservative majority on the court rules in favor of Mississippi, that means it's basically wide open for other states to create their own abortion bans well before 28 weeks and potentially even outright bans on abortion altogether. Now, another interesting angle of this here, it is possible the Supreme Court could find some kind of middle ground where they say, okay, this 15-week law is now okay. That's going to be the new benchmark. So not allowing states to create their own laws altogether, but maybe just saying this 15-week mark is going to be the new benchmark. We could possibly see that. I will say the CDC does track these things, Adrienne, and we looked it up earlier this morning. About 91% of all abortions happen at week 13 or earlier. That fact may also play a role in how the court decides.
All right. Thank you so much, Joe.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.